I'm sure you've seen the title. It's an unboxing. And usually my unboxing videos do good. I think my catnap unboxing did super good, and I think that one got like 3,000 views as of 2024. So let's just don't want to cut it or cool. Actually, I'll get back to you when it's open. Let's see. Here he is. Toy Bonnie. This feels unreal. I officially have Toy Bonnie. This is a feeling that I thought I would never get. I spent so long trying to get him in stores. And when he was taken out, it made me mad. And I was sad, because I thought I would never get the chance to get him again. And that was heartbroken to young me. But now, look at me now. I have him. And I'm not saying this to brag. I'm just like, Toy Bonnie is one of my favorite Five Nights at Freddy's characters. I love how goofy he looks. Like, especially in this. Like, the buck teeth, his buggy eyes. I love the way he looks. And, yeah. Here he is with the FNAF 2 setup. And I'm just here to also announce that I have Toy Bonnie. And the second thing is I am starting a Five Nights at Freddy's 2 series. So, if you have any ideas for the series, drop them down below in the comments. Also, while you're going down to the comments, why don't you like and subscribe? Because that would be really nice. And this I have made is the only thing you're going to see for the setup now. Except, obviously, I have the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 cupcake. And I'm just reusing the guitar and microphone because it fits. But I had to make a new cupcake because the cupcakes look different. But yeah, I think I did a really good job with the stage and the cupcake. And my custom with Toy Freddy. I just made a YouTube short about this, so if you haven't, I would check it out. But I'm gonna say peace out, and the Five Nights at Freddy's 2 series is coming soon. So be prepared.